Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage RGB lights on AGON AGM600. To do this, first you will need to select your mouse in G-Many software, navigate to Light FX, then you'll be able to change a different preset right here. So we have off, static, breathing, blink or wave. In this case, let's select wave, then you can adjust the colors between random or, for example, single color, and then you can switch those colors right here when you select single one. There's entire hue right here, and we can also switch rotation like clockwise or counterclockwise, and for many different presets you'll find different settings. So for example, for blink there's nothing right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.